What's up?
Damn.
Damn, boy. Alright. What's up? It's the next week from the last video. It is Saturday. Today is the day we're moving this down to the shop. Nick said we were gonna trailer it, but we can't trailer it because I am broke boy, and I'm just gonna fucking huck it down there and hope for the best. It just takes off super slow is the main thing. That rattling is my radiator fan, so don't worry about that. But yeah, it's gonna be a shit show. It's gonna be hopefully not too much of a nightmare in getting there. We went and got parts the other day. I got oil from work and the filter and coolant and Kinetic head gasket, ARP head studs, and the gist, you know. So about 2 o'clock, we're waiting for Tyler to get here. And then once Tyler gets here, we'll be on the way. And hopefully next time you see me, we'll be at the shop and not stranded on the highway. Update, I think we're gonna make it. We are pulling in onto the street where the shop is right now. Car was not too bad. It just goes really slow taking off. So that's the main thing, and it hesitates very badly. So yeah, we're pulling into the shop right now. It made it, thank God. All the parts made it fine. So we will we'll get back to you when we're back in the shop, I guess. See you. Fucking made it. So look at that. Tyler was right behind me the whole time. Made it. It's gonna have a new heart driving out of here tomorrow. But today we got some extra shit to do, and I will show you everything that we're doing. Once we get inside, Tyler's got to go unlock the door and shit. So I'm so glad it made it. That's just another headache off of my fucking off my brain. But yeah, fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. Tyler's cleaning up the area, only to make it a mess again.
A clean area is a happy area.
Let's go check on my motor over here. It's getting valve cover's getting painted, and intake manifold's getting painted. Oh yeah.
Hey, listen.
That's good.
Real good.
Oh. So we got the car on the lift.
Yeah, we're pulling the radiator out right now. We're waiting for the coolant to finish draining.
Let's see what Tyler's doing. Tyler, what are you doing?
Cleaning up the engine block. Gonna get it ready to reseal. Make it nice and purdy. It's getting there. Just finished cleaning off the deck surface. Kind of cleaned up the pistons a little bit. Everything looks to be good though.
Oh yeah.
Good for Jacob.
Hey, give us a little update. Hold up. Let me clean my line. Shit, dirty.
So we got the radiator out, right there. We are getting all the coolant lines off. We're gonna start working on the harness, getting all that off.
Yeah, I got mainly the front ones off, and then
we're gonna fucking yank all the drive line out, all the drive shaft out, and then motor mounts. Should be good.
plus a cross member for the transmission.
I'm skipping a bunch of shit, but you know what I mean.
Yeah. We're just giving them a cheap rundown. Jesse's over here getting these coolant lines off to the heater core.
With a 6mm fucking socket.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna disconnect my battery.
You haven't done that yet?
No.
Oh, sick. And I cut wires. That's always cool. Hold on. Alright, let's give them a little update. We're going up with the lift right now. Okay. Well, we just took the exhaust off from the Megan Racing. You got your light, dude? Where's that light so we can see what we're doing? We just dropped the exhaust, the straight pipe from there to right there. I couldn't find the fucking flange. Now we're getting the drive shaft out so we can undo the cross member here and then undo motor mounts, and it should come out. It's not getting cut out, bitch. They're over there grubbing down, sitting on the back of that 6.7 Power Stroke on the flatbed. But I'm over here working. I pulled the rest of the Megan Racing manifold off. I pulled the drive shaft out because we're pulling this as one piece. We're not separating the transmission and engine. So speaking of that, let's get this fucking gasket off. Jake, you reusing this, bro?
No.
He's reusing it. Don't let him lie to you. We need to get motor mounts out. See down there? We need to get those motor mounts out. We got those off. Got to get this motor mount down here. Right there. It's kind of hard to see, but I think we're gonna have to go from the bottom to get that, I think, or from the front maybe. I'm not sure. I've never pulled motor in a Miata before, but there's a little update for you guys so far. We're making pretty good time. We've been here, give or take, 2 hours maybe.
Goddamn, this Sprite crispy.
Hey, he's reusing this again.
Yep.
He's reusing it, dude. I don't care.
I totally don't have new ones.
If people say you can't reuse a gasket, dude, just say fuck them. I don't care. Whatever you do, just say fuck them.
Should we do color reveal?
All right.
What's up? So I haven't told you guys this yet, but we're gonna be painting this shit and this shit. I'll show you the colors. Valve cover is gonna be this beautiful
You see
purple.
that?
Some fucking rice for the boys
Hell yeah.
with white letters.
He's only doing it for the clout.
The letters are gonna be white, and then the intake is gonna be white. I got all the right shit to do it, so it's not gonna flake. I got base coat, primer, gloss, clear coat, and you know.
Yeah, this is all the other shit for what he had or what he bought.
Water pump gasket. Here's the inlet for the water pump.
I don't know if Ford still owns Mazda or not, but
They're not together anymore, I don't think.
then the manifold gaskets and then
Head gasket. Studs.
Oh yeah, we got the ARP studs right here. God damn it, Jake, you prick. I think this motor should be out here in about half an hour or so. We just need to get the cross member out from the transmission and then put a transmission jack under it. So
Oil pan's off. Just cleaned up the surface. Cleaned up the oil pan over on the bench. And getting ready to put it back on. And then we're gonna start assembly on everything else.
Oh yeah. Look at that box of shit.
look at this.
What am I looking at? Let me see that.
No, I can't.
Let me see that, bud.
It's not happening.
Yeah.
Damn. All right, so where does this wire go to? O2 sensor.
It's good.
Look at the butt connector.
Butt connected. Hey, let's do the 10-pound test.
No.
10 pound. Call it, dude.
We're getting closer.
Are we though? Oh, dude, is this fucking bangarang? I know we're kind of jumping around a bit between pulling the motor over there and then seeing how Tyler's doing on this motor. But he's putting the ARP head studs in right now. He's putting his lube in there. So good and tasty.
Super important to use lube. Nobody likes going in dry.
Unless you're a fucking weirdo.
Which you very well may, could be.
Caesar, you hear that?
Yeah, that's fucking sick, dude.
How many more do you got to go?
2 more. And then set the head on it. Well, the gasket and then the head.
Dude, no gasket's fun.
Look at this. I can lift my old transmission.
Well, it's not bolted in or anything.
No, it's not.
So.
That's how white they are?
Did you not see Tyler curled?
curl?
No.
Jake, talk to us while you're down there.
No.
Talk to us.
No.
Talk to us.
Help.
Trying to get this.
Mia, I'm a cop.
Hey, yo, Nick was hatting, yo.
Getting a flathead screwdriver to get this shit off so we don't have to unbolt all the brackets from the top of the transmission.
Oh, shit.
What'd you do to it?
I gave it back. When I hit it, it was fine. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
We're super close.
Vape issues.
Getting this out. Just need to get the clutch lines off.
Yeah, your shit's
And then
fucking
it's good.
Well, let's tell them how it actually happened. It all started when we brought it down the first time,
How you get this
and then
bracket off?
after we got it off the fucking
clamp right
lift,
here.
we forgot to take off the fucking slave cylinder.
It's fucking sick.
Fucking sick.
I'm texting Lexi. I told her corn tortilla tacos are so bomb, flour tortillas can fuck right off. She said you can fuck right off and flour tortillas are the best. I'm gonna say fuck yourself.
Flour tortillas are better than crunchy tortillas. Just like pineapple pizza is better than other pizza. Big facts, shit. Big facts.
Dude, first of all, argue in the comments about this. Do you like pineapple on your pizza? Because I prefer it, Caesar prefers it, Jake prefers it, Sid prefers it. I'm not sure about this fuckhead.
Pineapple pizza for the win, yo.
Squad 2019. Dude, fuck cars. I'm a fucking food critic now, boys. Fuck cars, dude. Hey, I hate to break it to you. We're a food channel now. Tasty. So good and tasty. So
You know what, bro? I ain't respecting your flow right now.
Oh shit. We forgot a bracket on the back of the motor.
Hell
Straight
yeah.
up slacking up in this piece.
Damn, you're dirty and haven't even done any work.
I've done all the underside shit, but except for like the drive,
Bro,
drive shaft.
you just gotta leave it in gear because this kid
fucking does his starter.
doesn't know how to put it in neutral.
He said, why isn't this moving? Did you leave it in gear? The drive line was out, the e-brake was set, and the wheels were locked in the back. This thing's ready to come out. Sid and Tyler are working on getting one bracket out for a harness.
Fish a harness through.
So that's pretty fun.
Otherwise, we can pull that wherever it leads to.
We'll get back to you when this thing's out.
Well, actually, no.
This dude, motherfucking Jake, forgot the starter harness and the. Oh my gosh. He forgot it all down there.
Hey, where's the
Now we can't. Now we can't get the motor out until you get those out.
I will get those out.
It's taking so long because Jake put it in gear and we can't figure it out how to fucking take it.
Now when I say this in all due respect, and I mean all due respect, I wake up, I piss excellence, but M is for M&M's.
What?
Rev up your engines!
You guys see any connections over there?
No, we're good.
Okay, keep going up.
Chain brakes. Whips Nick in the face and kills him.
I'd be laughing in my grave. Fucks. Go.
Oh shit.
This is Final Destination.
I'm trying, goddammit.
Pump that thing like it's your dick on a Saturday night at home alone. Pull back on.
Pull.
Hold on.
Oil pan.
I'll go up.
Oh my god.
Grab the tail shaft if we get this thing. All right, pull out with it.
Pull out.
Again.
Hang on.
No,
Hang on.
it's a tail shaft on this trailer.
Holy shit, we gotta translate.
Yeah, we do.
Pull back. Keep pulling back. Hold on.
R.I.P. my radiator support. Yeah.
Here, somebody fucking.
Dirty engine bay. Holy shit.
Oh, my mount finally fell out.
Dude.
R.I.P. This mount is
Holy
fucked.
Let me see.
We made a fucking mess, dude.
Draw some poly mount in there, boy.
Fucking Christ.
We all three on this, right?
Dude, we sound like a pregnant cat having bird.
Goddamn. So what happened right now?
Sid,
It's out. It's out.
After spending all day working on putting Jake's engine together, they forgot half the shit to pull out, so I went over there, worked a little bit of
But now what happened?
what now? What happened right now?
It's out.
He's out.
Dude, I gotta win. I gotta win.
We made a bad mistake.
Gonna get done at half.
The slip yoke for the drive shaft out the transmission there leaked all of its oil out pretty much on the floor. Now there's just like a giant throw up fucking thing on the floor. But other than that, we got the engine and shit out. The one's right there getting built, almost ready to go in. Then we're disconnecting the transmission and just manhandling that thing up into there and connecting everything there. Putting the engine in. We also got to get new motor mounts for this thing. I'm not sure where that bushing is. Oh yeah, it's right here. This bushing fell out of the motor mount right there. So that's pretty fucking cool. Hell yeah. Got to get new motor mounts tomorrow. Then this thing should be good to go. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.